Hi, thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. What we're going to do here is cover the Workspot design concepts. So this playbook is intended for MSPs, partners, and customers that want to deploy Workspot, anywhere from a simple lab environment to a full-blown enterprise solution. So what we'll do here is walk through the fundamental design concept and show you how it'll scale out. Now we're going to switch gears a little bit, building on that AD hybrid design concept. But what we're going to do here is switch out the IDP, and Workspot natively supports Okta. So again, same type of concept where the user is redirected to, this time instead of Entra ID, they're redirected to Okta. And the same concept with the OIDC token coming back through the gateway applies. And then the compute objects are all Active Directory joined. Nothing else changes. Still the fundamental design applies. We're just pointing to a different IDP. So this is becoming quite common for us as we're starting to see a lot of Okta out there, and then there's an Okta requirement, and this is how we handle that particular requirement. And the how-tos, all the same place, community.workspot.com. And the uses here, again, can apply to the same type of folks. MSPs could certainly use this if they have Okta. And this is also supported on all our platforms. So that way, as long as we have that AD legacy Active Directory component in the mix, and we do need that right now for Okta and at this time. So once you have this, it does put all the platforms in play.